Hello friends, myself Dr.Hemant Sharma, and today I am going to explain you how to crack or how to score rank below 1000 in Neet PG 2023 examination. So guys, those doctors who think now time is too much, exam on March, they are absolutely wrong. Start study from today onwards. And doctors who are still not prepared till today, start study from today. So many queries, they are not prepared till now. Is it possible to score excellent rank in exam? Yes. Is it possible to score excellent rank in exam? Because now you have time in your hand. So guys, lot of doctors are doing same mistake. They like to study too much in single topic. They spend 2 days, 3 days, but result nil, because in exam they don't know what type of MCQ they are going to ask and how to cover all 19 subjects. For that, I bring a very easy, short and sweet program. In that program, I bring 500 high yield topics. Guys, from 500 high yield topics, there is lot of probability to score excellent marks in exam, and also there is lot of probability to receive MCQ from these topics only. Okay, for example, contraceptions. I am going to explain contraception in high yield topics. Around 500 high yield topics I explain only in 10 minutes. Contraceptions topic in 10 minutes only. And also I explain like postpartum hemorrhage, single topic in 5 to 10 minutes only. And pregnancy drugs, the drugs which are contraindicated and useful in case of pregnancy, I explain in 10 minutes. So guys, from psychiatry, schizophrenia, from forensic IPC, poisoning, every topic I explain only in a 10 minutes. These are very high yield topics. Every time in exam you receive one MCQ from IPC, one MCQ from contraceptions, and I explain radiology and pharmacology. Most of the topics I cover, like anticholinergic, cholinergic drugs, okay, GIT drugs, respiratory drugs, and in medicine I cover endocrinology topics. Okay, these are very important, very high yield topics guys. In biochem you receive MCQ from amino acids, one single video for that. From lipids, one single video. Okay, from carbohydrates, one single video. From vitamins and minerals, one MCQ in exam. So I cover most of the topics. All 19 subjects are included. For that, I bring a subscription program, 50 days subscription program for those who want to finish their course very fast and they want to do revision. For them, I bring 10 videos per day till 50 days so that they are able to finish 500 important topics in 50 days only. So 10 into 50 is 500. So 500 topics are more than enough to score excellent rank in exam, which I explained, because most of the questions in exam they like to ask from high yield topics. In that video I provide you like previous year MCQ, recent updates, new MCQs, and everything I explain in that videos. Also 100 days subscription program, those who want to study in a slow path, okay, in a moderate path, for them every day 5 videos till 100 days. So 5 into 100 is also 500. Okay, and those who want to do only 4 videos per day, for them also new program, 4 videos per day till 120 days. And guys, one more important thing, 5 to 10 days, 10 days or 15 days before exam, I provide you 3 hours revision video, rapid revision, all 19 subject video. That is very important, very high yield. If you guys prepare all 500 high yield topics, lot of probability to score excellent rank in exam. What is the use mistake? The use mistake is you try to study a lot and you are wasting lot of time. You try to catch all 30,000 videos, you try to study 50,000 videos. Yes, in exam when you are going to sit, you feel yes, this question you know, but options you are confused. Okay, so guys, study in the right path, right track, right manner, right direction. For that, short and sweet program, 500 important high yield videos is more than enough to score excellent rank. Fee is 6,000 rupees. Fee is non-refundable. And how to join that program? Details available in description of this video. How to take subscription, how to pay, and WhatsApp helpline number is also available. So guys, if you want to study from today, most welcome. Join any course, 50 days course if you want to join. If you want to join 100 days course or 120 days course, choice is yours. Thank you. Goodbye.